Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your low beam headlight bulb on this 2012 Camry Hybrid. It's the same procedure for just regular Camry, and we have X11 LED lights that we're going to be installing today. You can check the link in the description if you want a pair for your car. They have light bulbs for all applications, not just headlights. In the box, you're going to find some white gloves, instruction manual, and obviously the lights themselves. These are a pretty nice light actually. So your your low beam headlight bulb is going to be an H11. Sorry, it's an H11. The high beam bulb is a 9005. So we've got a nice aluminum construction, which is sturdy, and it also doubles as a heat sink. Plus you got a built-in cooling fan that runs, a really nice rubber seal, and then we've got LED on both sides of the light bulb. These are a direct plug and play. There's no extra boxes or anything weird that you need. So first thing we got to do, obviously get your hood pop, and the bulb that you're going to want is the one that's got the big sphere in front of it. That's going to be your low beam bulb. You just simply turn this counterclockwise, remove the bulb. Then we need to unplug the electrical connector. So the connector has a locking tab that's on it. And all you got to do is just depress this button to unlock the plug, and then there's that. If you can get a good view of it, it's right here. And then all you got to do is just wear gloves. Be careful you don't burn yourself if you have your lights on. Take the new one, simply plug it in. You just want to line, there's a tab that's on here, so make sure that you line that up with the side that has the locking latch piece that you press down on. Line this thing up, and then make sure that all the tabs are lined up so that this thing locks into place correctly. It should be straight up and down so that that connector is pointed straight down to the ground. So let's turn these on, see what they look like. There you have it. They look really, really nice compared to the original halogen bulbs that came in the car. It's a much more modern, crisp, bright light. This is a 65K brightness, so it's very white. And it's going to just project light further and wider on the road. You're going to be able to see a whole lot more, which is a lot safer for you. You're going to be able to see wildlife, people. It's going to light up the road a lot more, especially during nighttime driving, even though you're probably going to have your high beams on. But I mean, with these lights, you almost might not even need to run the high beams as much. If you want some of these for your car, check out the link in the description. X11's got you covered for every light bulb on your car. I promise you, they sell every light bulb. We've been using them for a long time, and their quality is very good. I've tried all kinds of Amazon light bulbs and had problems with them, but these X11 light bulbs, honestly, they've just always worked and they've always been good, so we sell them. And yeah, I think that's just pretty much it, how to remove and replace the low beam headlight bulb on your 2012 Camry Hybrid. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments. Hopefully the video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if it was. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.